Hi guys, let's do an unboxing. Box. I hope I do not cut anything inside important. Oh, it came with a box. That's nice. Okay, there's nothing more inside. Just the box. The carrying case, rather. And this is what we have. Two batteries. Oh, charger. Looks good. 12 volts, 1.5 amps. The impact drill. Is it an impact drill? Oh yeah, it is. It says there. So you can switch between the three. So hammer, drill, and screw. Sorry. And some accessories. Alright. Alright, it looks good. Here are the accessories. Flexible extension. Magnetic holder for this. For the screw heads. Screwdriver heads, rather. And socket wrenches. This is the adapter for the socket wrench. And I know it's 1/4. And 6 pieces of drill bits. I believe these 3 are for wood, the other 3 for metal. And this is the drill bit. So the brand is 2Mon, and 25 levels of torque. I believe that's Newton meter, so up to 25 Newton meter. Here's the switch for reverse and forward. And this is for the speed. So 1 and 2, and you have the separate settings for screw, drill, and hammer function. Overall, it's not too bad. It looks good. What I like about is the battery. I think it has longer life. So 3 ampere hour. The other screwdriver that I have is only 1.5. For comparison, I have 2 other cordless screwdrivers here. Drill slash screwdriver. So the Ozito. This is an Australian brand. It's also made in China. And we have Boom. It's quite sturdy. I have this for probably 8 years and still being strong. It's not as fast, but it's okay. And it's a lot faster. But it only has 1 speed. This one has, yeah, it's so fast. 25 20 to 30 Newton meter. This one is rated at 12 Newton meter only. They're up to 10 mm all. The chuck can hold up to 10 mm. So yeah, I think this looks good. So let's try the other speed. So that's slow. And 2 is way faster. Alright. Let's try the hammer. Drill. So LED light at the front. Overall impression looks really good. This is sold in the Philippines. From what I've checked, I think there's only one supplier, but they are selling way so many, 1,000 units. Although their best seller, I think, are the impact wrench. So yeah, I just want something cheaper. This is the whole set, 1,100 pesos. I got free shipping, I believe. So yeah, it's really good buy. Just a little over $10, $10, $12. $10-12. Very cheap. So yeah, it's a good buy.
Let's try with the normal drilling. Now with the hammer function. Okay. Yeah, I think it's good. Just a hammer function, so I believe the way this operates, the torque is applicable only to driving screw. It doesn't apply to drill and hammer function. So yeah, it's a good buy. Thank you guys.